So Google just released a very long document about prompt engineering, and this document is available for free. Anyone can access it, and I'm going to give you the link of this page in the video description. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. Anyway, this document has over 60 pages and you can learn everything about prompt engineering. Now, this document is particularly relevant for the Gemini AI model, but I believe the knowledge in this document can be transferred to other AI models like ChatGPT, Cloud, Perplexity, and many others, because after all, they are still within the category of large language models. So the way they work is still more or less the same. Now, once you are in this page, you can actually download this document. You can click on this icon on the top right corner of the screen, and it will bring you to this Google Drive page, and you can save it to your Drive account, and you can also just download the document to your computer. You can click on this button right here, and this document size is about 6 megabytes, and it's gonna be very useful if you are learning prompt engineering. And one thing that I like about this document is that there is this quote that I think it's kind of true for a lot of people. You don't have to be, or you don't need to be a scientist or a machine learning engineer. Everyone can write a prompt. So this document is not for just small individuals that has deep knowledge about machine learning and or do the thinking about large language model. Anyone can read this, anyone can learn from this. And if you want to learn from this document, I highly recommend to use Gemini. So if you are on your Google account, you can actually access Gemini right here. And you can actually ask anything to Gemini to read this document, and you can basically summarize everything using AI. So in this case, I'll try to ask, what can I learn from this document? This document. And Gemini will read everything here. Gemini is particularly good at reading a very long document because of its high amount of context window. So it's a good model. It's an amazing AI tool. And here is a few things that you can learn from this document, but I want to just get the answer very quickly. What is one best practice I can do to write a prompt? And yeah, it is actually recommend me to use something called a few shot, which is basically just providing examples in the prompt. Yeah, it's actually a good practice. So yeah, go ahead and visit this website. You can check the video description, and then you can learn something from this document, maybe by reading the document or by just using AI to summarize the content. So anyway, if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video.